Hi, welcome to my channel again. Today we are going to talk about the topic of the metaverse featuring XR, VR, AR, and MR. So, what's the difference between all these are? Because the future lies in now. First, we talk about what is XR, extended reality. Refers to all real and virtual environments generated by computer graphics and variables. The X in XR is simply a variable that can stand for any letter. XR is the umbrella category that covers all the various forms of computer-altered reality, including augmented reality, mixed reality, and virtual reality. So we take a look at the first one, virtual reality. For ease, let's start with the topic many of us are already familiar with, virtual reality. VR encompasses all virtually immersive experiences. This could be created using purely real-world content, 360 video, purely synthetic content, computer-generated, or a hybrid of both. This medium requires the use of a head-mounted device, HMD, like the Oculus Rift, HTC Vive, or Google Cardboard. VR has its own spectrum in and of itself. On one end, you have web VR, the simplest and most accessible form, and on the others, you have fully immersive VR, like multi-sensory cinema. Don't ask me how they incorporate taste, but apparently virtual wireyards are a thing now. AR, augmented reality. Augmented reality, AR, is an overlay of computer-generated content on the real world. The key note here is that the augmented content doesn't recognize the physical objects within a real-world environment. In other words, the CG content and the real-world content are not able to respond to each other. Using Google Translate as an example, we can identify images and detect planes to place computer-generated content. But the graphics can't interact with the environment beyond what the camera captures. Let's look at another example. IKEA's latest mobile app, IKEA Place, uses AR to make a profound impact on the way we shop for furniture at home. The basic premise is shoppers select an item from the catalog, then using the camera on their mobile device, can place digital furniture anywhere in a given room. The product is automatically sized to fit the space, which IKEA claims is 98% accurate and can be moved or rotated within view. Amazing, right? Where IKEA and AR generally fall short, though, is that the computer-generated content is only anchored to the camera view. Using IKEA Place as an example, if I crouch behind a physical table or a chair to get a better look, the render would not disappear behind the real-world object. That's where mixed reality comes in. MR, mixed reality. Mixed reality removes the boundaries between real and virtual interaction via occlusion. Occlusion means the computer-generated objects can be visibly obscured by objects in the physical environment, like a virtual robot scurrying under your coffee table. That's where things get interesting because, hey, isn't all of this technicality reality that has been augmented with computer graphics? Technically, sure. But there is a key distinction in user experience and developmental complexity that does not afford these terms to be interchangeable. Occipita, a border-based spatial computer startup, is advancing the field of computer vision. Their premier product, Bridge, is a mixed reality headset that gives users the ability to map any given room and place computer-generated objects within it. With accurate room mapping, MR offers something AR doesn't, a whole new level of real virtual interaction. Thank you very much for staying with me in my channel. Welcome to the new world of MetaVerse together. We will see you in the next words. Thank you. Bye for now.